Hello everybody, and today's our interesting topic is about circles. Circle, it is it comes under geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics. Okay, we will discuss about circles. Students, what do you mean by circle? What do you mean by circle? In mathematical terminology, this blackboard is called as a plane. What is this? Which is a plane? Which is a plane? So circle is nothing but it is a collection of points in a plane. It is a collection of points in a plane. See here, this is the plane, and these are the collection of points. These are the collection of points. They are the collection of points in a plane. Circle is nothing but it is a collection of points in a plane which all are at fixed distance from the fixed point. Which all, these all points, which all are at fixed distance from fixed point. So this is our fixed point, and this fixed point is called center of the circle. That fixed point is called center of the circle. Center. Let me join these all points in a plane. Let me join these all points in a plane. I will get a circle. So what is the definition of circle? Circle is a collection of points in a plane which all are at fixed distance from fixed point, which all are at fixed distance from fixed point. That fixed point is called center. This fixed point is called center, and the distance between center to any point, this fixed distance, the distance from center to any point. This is point A, for example. This is point B. This is point C. This is point D. As we know that circle is a collection of points in a plane. Okay, the distance from fixed point to any point on a circle. The distance from fixed point to any point on a circle is called radius of the circle. Radius. What do you mean by radius? Radius is nothing but the distance from center to any point. Here center is O, OD is radius. This distance OD, distance between O and D is radius, and OA is also radius of the circle. OB is also radius of the circle. For example, this is the point M. OM is also radius of the circle. So radius is constant throughout the circle. It is the distance from center to any point on a circle. That is called radius. Clear? So we discussed about center and radius, and the terminology related to circle we will discuss now. That is, the first one is chord. Chord. What do you mean by chord, students? This is the circle, and this is the center. Yes, and what is this? For example, this is the point A. OA is the radius of the circle. As we know that circle is a collection of points. When we join all that points, we got a circle. So for example, this is point C, and this is the point D. Let me join these 2 points C and D. we got a line segment. Yes, CD is a line segment. CD is a line segment. So what do you mean by chord? Chord is nothing but it is a line segment that joins any 2 points on a circle. What do you mean by chord? Chord is nothing but it is a line segment. CD is a chord. The line segment that joins any 2 points on the circle is called chord. For example, this is point P and this is point Q. Let me join point P and point Q. PQ is a line segment that joining any 2 points in a circle, hence PQ is also a chord. PQ is also a chord. For example, this is point M and this is the point N. Let me join these 2 points M and N through O. M1 is a line segment. M1 is a line segment which is also joining any 2 points on a circle. So M1 is also a chord. Understood, students? What do you mean by chord? Chord is nothing but it is a line segment that joins any 2 points on a circle. Right? Now coming to radius. Already we discussed about radius. Coming to diameter. Diameter. Yes, students. What is this? This is a circle, right? And this is our center of the circle. Yes, it is our center of the circle. So for example, this is the point A which is on the circle. And what is OA, students? OA is radius. Center from, what do you mean by radius? Distance from center to any point on a circle is called radius. OA is radius. Students, what is OB? For example, this is the point B. Point B which is on the circle. What is the distance from O to B? Which is also a radius. Which is also a radius. OA is radius. OB is radius. So what is AB? What is AB? Line segment AB. When I join these two lines, 2 points A and B, I will get a diameter. Diameter. Here AB is a diameter. What do you mean by diameter? It is also a line segment. It is also a line segment that joins any 2 points on a circle and it must passes through the center of the circle. What do you mean by diameter? The line segment that joins any 2 points on a circle and it must passes through the center of the circle. See, students, here AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter which is passing through the center of the circle. So here AB is called what? AB is called diameter. We are going to represent with letter D. Diameter means what? See, length of line segment AB. AB is nothing but what? AO plus OA. Total length AB is nothing but AO plus OB. I mean OA is nothing but R plus OB is nothing but also R. So D equal to R plus R, which is equal to 2R. So diameter is, students, diameter is 2 times the radius. Here diameter is how much? 2 times the radius. For example, if radius equal to 4 centimeter, then what will be the diameter? The diameter is, as we know that diameter is 2 times the radius. I mean 2 into radius is 4 centimeter. So 2 into 4, which is 8 centimeter. Students, diameter is 2 times the radius. For example, if the radius is 5 centimeter, then what will be the diameter? Diameter will is 2 into 5, 10 centimeter. Okay, diameter is 2 times the radius. What about radius? See here, r will be, keep it here only, 2r. What is the meaning of 2r? 2 into r. Here 2 is multiplying, that means transpose towards left hand side, it will become diameter by 2. What is radius? Radius will be half of the diameter. Radius will be half of the diameter. For example, if diameter equal to 10 centimeter, if diameter equal to 10 centimeter, what is its radius? What is its radius? As we know that radius equal to half of the diameter, r equal to d by 2. What is diameter? 10 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Clear? So diameter is 10 centimeter, then what would be the radius? Radius will be 5 centimeter. Clear students? Diameter is 2 times the radius. And one more important point is that diameter is also a chord. Diameter is also a chord. What do you mean by chord? Chord is nothing but line segment that joins any 2 points on a circle. See, AB is also a chord and diameter is the longest chord in a circle. What is chord? Diameter is the longest chord in a circle. This is about diameter. And the next one is arc. What do you mean by arc? ARC. Arc. Arc is nothing but it is a part of a circle. This is our circle with center O. See here, A, D and B. What is APB? Here APB is an arc. What do you mean by arc? Arc is nothing but it is a part of a circle. Arc is a part of a circle. Let me write down the definition. Arc is a part of a circle. Here APB. APB is an arc. Clear students, what do you mean by arc? Arc is nothing but it is a part of a circle. Yes? Now coming to sector. What do you mean by sector, students? Sector is nothing but, see here, this is our center. O is our center. What is OA? OA is the radius of the circle. What is OB? OB is also radius of a circle. And what is APB? Which is an arc. The region enclosed by radii and arc of a circle is known as sector. This region. The region enclosed by radii and an arc of a circle is known as sector. Here AOB is a sector. AOB is a sector. What do you mean by sector? Sector is nothing but the region enclosed by radii. See, this is radius and this is radius. Radii is the plural form of radius. Radii is the plural form of radius because we have two radius here and an arc. The region bounded by radii and arc of a circle is known as sector. Students, this is minor sector because it is a minor arc. Minor arc means which is small arc. And what about this? Can you say me what is this? This is also an arc, which is also a part of circle. And OA is radius, OB is radius, and what is this, students? What is this? This is also a sector. This is also a sector because this is the region enclosed by radii and an arc. And this is our major sector. What is this? This is our major sector. Sector means you understood, I think. The region bounded by radii and an arc of a circle is called sector. Next, segment. What do you mean by segment? Students, this is our circle and this is our center and this is an arc and this is a point A and this is a point B. Let me join these 2 points. So what is AB? AB is a chord. AB is a chord and this is an arc and this region. The region enclosed by an arc and a chord is called segment. What is this? This is called segment of a circle. Also we can say that it is a minor segment. It is a minor segment. The region enclosed by an arc and a chord is called segment. And what is this, students? This is also an arc and this is the chord and this region. The region enclosed by a chord and an arc and this is called major segment. What is this? Major segment. What do you mean by major segment? I mean which is a little bit greater. Area is greater. That's why we can call it as major segment. Understood? What do you mean by circle? What is radius? What is center? What do you mean by chord? What do you mean by an arc? What do you mean by segment? And what do you mean by sector? Okay, this is the basics about circle. I hope you all understood. Okay, thank you.